Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to find expired domain for your business or for your website. So right now I will show you the best way to easily search thousands of expired domains for your business or website. First of all, you have to search for find expire domain, and then you have to open this link that comes from GoDaddy. Search expired domains, low fees, big rewards. Just open this link and then you will directly jump into GoDaddy auctions page. In this page, scroll down and here you will find the list of all expired domains. As you can see, this is a domain, and here we can see bids for this domain, and here we can see the domain price. Here we can see traffic, age, and estimated value, time left. Also here we can see this domain backlinks and referring domains. And now if you want to load more expired domains in this list, scroll down and here you will find lots of expired domains. You can go ahead and pick any domain to get. And now if you want to search for expired domains, you can use this search auction box. Just type the domain name that you want to get. For example, I'm searching for online shopping, and now here as you can see the result showing up matching with my search keywords. That's how you will be able to easily search for a domain to get a perfect expired domains. So all you have to need to search for a domain and just click on buy it now, and then you will be able to get the expired domain. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.